these also. We have to make email, number and message. So here is, I'll select email. Here is also email, and here will be email. So okay, so we also have to change this by email. Now here will be our phone number, phone, and here will be phone, and here will be a phone. You can do it in a single click, but I am doing it, but I don't know why I'm doing this, but you can do this in a single click as alt and left key. Okay, now here I have to make a text area. As you can see here, a message and then a text area, so I'll change it by a text area. Name will be what, message, and there will be message also. Then column I want 30 columns. No, I want 40 columns, and there will be only one row, no, 3 rows. I think this will be enough. Let me see it. Okay, this has come, but now I have to change name by message. Let me see it now. Okay, this is fine, but I want this to be a colon one. Yeah, this is one. So now I have to make I have to do styling. Okay, let me see what we have to do more in HTML. No, we have nothing to do in HTML, so I am going in styling section. For that I will first select a mail section here. Okay, or no, not a mail, yeah, mail section. Okay, pardon me. So where should I make it? Yeah, here, uh mailer section. Okay, yeah, mailer section. I want that mail section to be printed here. Okay, sorry, I want to be a position relative. Okay, this will be good. Why I made position relative, I'll tell you about it. Mailer section, then I will go for before, then I will make here a background image. Okay, then there will be a content, this, then okay, the position will be not inherit, the position will be absolute, then top will be 0, and left also will be 0. I have to make a background image, so URL